Monday morning to Dixie. Good morning. Good morning. We're still working on it. I think this is week 3, but all fairness, we haven't done it every day. Good morning. Are you coming out? I got the fan on because I had to shut down the other fan. Your feathers are flying. Come on out. I gotta clean up some stuff, but come on out. Okay. Don't be pushy. All right. Oh. Good morning. We gotta clean your cage up. Up, 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 up. Oh. I gotta pan out, pan out, pan out. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. You say, good morning. Oh, kisses, thank you. Mwah, mwah, mwah. All right.